Good morning, children. In Visual Basic, next topic is form. Form is the primary building block of a Visual Basic application. In the VBA IDE, the default form added when we insert a user form is user form 1. So when we double click on the form name in the Project Explorer, the form will display in the form layout window, and the properties window will display the characters of the form and their values. You can change the height, width, background color, everything for of the window by editing the values of properties window. Next topic is changing the background color of the form. You can change the background color in two ways. First one is design mode, otherwise on the runtime mode. The back color property of the form is used to change the background color of the form. So how to change the background color in the design mode? For that, first step is you have to go to the back color property. How to go to the back color property? Here you can see the back color property. So go to the back color property of the form in the properties window. Then click on the color box in the value column and select the palette. Click on the color box in the value column and select the palette tab. Then click on the color you want and the background color of the form will change in the form layout window. This is the first method. Same way you can change the background color of the form in runtime. That is three ways there. That is using RGB function, using QB color function and using color code. So in each type in RGB you have to give the specify the value of the color. Suppose the value of black is 0, blue 1, green 2. So like this for bright white color it is 15. Like that you have to specify and give the colors number. That is value. You have to give the value. In the case of QB color function, it is used to display color corresponding to the specified color of the number ranging from 0 to 15. It is given in your textbook, page number 16. One table is there with the color and it's a numbers. Same way, using color code also, you have to give the code. So when you see the color codes in the properties window, you have to choose the code from that. The next one is activate event. The code to change the background color of the form in runtime can be specified in the activate sub procedure of the user form object. This is the activate sheet. Here you can see which is activated. The first column is user form, there you are giving its name, and second column is VBA activate sheet. So to add activate event to the form, first you have to double click on the form to display the code window. Then in the source code window, select user form from the object box and then click on the activate event from the procedure box. So if first you have to double click on the form code window. From the source code window, you have to select user form from the object box drop down list. From there you have to select activate event. Then private subform activate function will appear in the code window. Private sub user form activate function will appear in the code window. Type the code to change the background color inside the event. Then run the form by pressing the function key F5. The form will appear with a, that is which color you selected, with that color it will appear. So the background color you can change. Then next is message box. Message box is the function used to display a message dialog box in the VBA program. A message box is a special dialog box used to display a piece of information to the user. As opposed to the regular form, the user cannot type anything in the dialog box. To support the message box, Visual Basic Language provides a function named message box. Here you can see this is the VBA message box. Here message is given. This is a message box demo, that is simply given as data there. So this is the message box displayed. So suppose you are giving the input there as welcome to VB. Instead of this is a message box demo, it will display welcome to VB. Next one is command box. It is, command box. So to give some commands, controls. So command button is one of the most important controls as it is used to execute the commands in a VB program. It displays an illustration that button is pressed when the user clicks on it. To add the command button to the form, this is an important question, how to add the command button to the form. So the first step is you have to click on the command button in the toolbox. Click on the command button in the toolbox, then click on the form where you want to place the button and drag the mouse to the required size. In the properties window, we can edit the values for the background color, foreground and color and border color.